Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing some American flags. Now we're going to put these along our walkway. If you guys are interested, there's the link in my video description where you can get them. And that one is empty. So, oh, okay, it came out. So it looks like, how did they go in there? So it must... Well, that makes no sense. How it came out of there. Well, they're nice looking. Okay, but how, if they slide out, then that's kind of stupid. Yeah, that is stupid. So it looks like they can easily slide down. But that's, I mean, they stay up, but of course wind's probably going to blow it down. Okay, so what we might do is put some tape at the bottom to stop it from going down, or actually use some hot glue and just put it in the bottom of each one. That's probably going to be a project. Other than that, they're nice, but because of that fact, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 10. Just that we gotta hot glue the bottoms so they don't slide out, because I don't see any other way for them to stay on. So that's kind of a shame. But it's not that big of a deal, you know. It'd take maybe 15 minutes, if that, to put glue at the bottom of all of these. So you get a lot for a good price. Still 5 out of 10 just because we got to go the extra mile. You could use tape if you guys want. Links in the video description where you guys can get these.